Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Ney from Clever Private High School. Today, a topic of my presentation is all about past simple. Okay? The outline of my presentation is the first rule of past simple, and second rule of past simple, and third rule of past simple, and some examples about past simple. A short definition for past simple. Past simple used to action that happened before now or existed before now. First rule of past simple, we have subject plus verb past plus complement. For example, I saw a movie yesterday. I with subject here, saw verb past. The present of saw see when we change to past. Change to saw. A movie yesterday, complement. Second example, she washed her car. She subject, washed verb past, her car complement. In negative form, we have subject plus didn't plus verb base. We use verb base because we have didn't in the sentence plus complement. And for example, last year I didn't travel to Japan. Last year, the preposition of time, I subjected didn't in the rule. In travel, we use travel present because we have didn't in sentence. To Japan, complement. Second example, we subjected didn't have didn't with a verb base because we have didn't. The dinner last night, the complement. Question form, we have did plus subject plus verb base plus complement. We have two examples here. Did plus you subject, verb base because again we have did in sentence. A musical instrument when you were a kid, complement, and question mark. Okay. And second example about a question form. Did Perry live in Kurdistan? Question mark. Did plus subject, Perry subject, singular subject, and verb base live. We use verb base because we have did. Okay, in Kurdistan, complement and question mark. Don't forget about question mark. Okay. Second rule of past simple. We have three forms: question, negative, and positive. In positive form, subject plus was or were plus adjective or noun. We use was if the subject singular, and we use were if subject plural. Okay. We have two examples about a positive form. Danny was in England last week. Danny subject. We use was because Danny singular noun. Okay. Was and in England last week, noun. Okay. Another example, I was very tired last year. I subject, and again we have a singular subject. We use was. Very tired adjective last year. Okay. We have another form of second rule of past simple. Subject plus was or were plus not plus adjective or noun. Okay. We have two examples here again. When Azat came, you were not in Izmir. You subject, were, we use were because we plural here, and not, we have negative in Izmir. And again, we have a first rule of past simple here because Azat subject and came verb past. Okay. Another example, I was not hungry, but I ate a pizza. I subject, singular subject, we use was, not because negative form, hungry, adjective, but I ate a pizza. Again, we have first rule here because I subject, ate, verb past. Okay. We have another form for second rule of past simple, question form. Was were plus subject plus adjective or noun. Okay. How was the weather yesterday? How, WH question. WH questions usually start, words start with WH, but here, how is included. Okay, it's also included. Was in the rule, the weather yesterday, okay, and question mark again. Versus and severage, question mark, where we use were because we have a plural, source and receiver. There are two person, rich, adjective, and question mark. Okay. Third rule of past simple. In third rule of past simple, we have subject plus had plus noun. Subject, for example, we have two examples here again. He, subject, had a book, noun. Okay. Another example, Saz and Naz had two bikes last year. Saz and Naz, subject, had two bikes, noun, last year, preposition of time, because it is past simple. Another form for third rule of past simple, negative form. Subject plus didn't plus base plus noun. We use base because we have didn't in sentence or examples. Okay. We have two examples. Shirin didn't have a computer. Shirin, subject, didn't have base because we have didn't in sentences. We must use base or base. A computer. Another example, they, subject, didn't have. We use have again because we use base because we have didn't. Money, complement. Another form for third rule of past simple, did plus subject plus base plus noun. It's question form. Okay. For example, what did we have? What? WH question. We can use WH question with third rule of past simple. Did plus subject, we subject, and have base and question mark. Okay. We use have because we have did. Another example, did cat have a tail? Did plus cat subject, have base because we have did, a tail, noun, and question mark. Thank you all for listening my presentation.